Hey everyone, so moving on to the next question, which is number spiral. So the number spiral is an infinite grid whose upper left square is number one. Here will be first five layers of the spiral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and so on, right? So that is understandable. But now the question arises, what is the uh, catch in this question? So now, can you tell me if how about this diagonal? This diagonal is an EGP, right? 1, 3, 7, 13, 21. Correct? So basically, with a like every time the common difference increases in an AP. It is initially 2, then 4, then 6. I'm talking about 1, 3, 7, 13, 21. So 2, 4, 6, 8, right? And so on. And whenever we reach at some x comma x, that is some point in this diagonal, green diagonal, then it is obvious, and then we can always say that as we have reached 4 comma 4, then here we'll always find the lesser values corresponding to this, and here we will find the larger values corresponding to this, right? So what we can do is to reach y comma x, what we can do is either we can reach x comma x and then move to y comma x by reducing the rows, or move to y comma y and then increase our uh, column by x, right? So basically, what we need to do is, so let's say we need to find 11. Sorry, uh, this will be 2 comma 4, right? Let's say we need to find 2 comma. So what we need to do is, what is a better solution is we find 4 comma 4, and then we find 2 comma 4. Once we find 2 comma 4, once we find 4 comma 4, now we know that we have to reach 2 comma 4. So that will be in that direction, in the y direction, that is row decreasing direction, and in the row decreasing direction it is always lesser, and in the column decreasing direction it is always increase of that value by that much, right? So we need to find out the x comma x value initially at first, right? So let's find out the x comma x value at any point. Let's find the x comma x value at any point. What should be the x comma x value? Okay. Int t c in t y t minus minus, we will have test cases, and now we have the row and column, and let's write the return 0 also here. That goes without saying. Again, unresponsive is my bad, sorry. So yeah, now let's say, how do we find out? What should be the formula to find out? So basically it is 1, 3, 7, then increase 6, then increase 8, then increase 10, and so on, right? There is a, so our common difference T is basically increasing 2 times, basically, right? So what you can say is, if we find out the common difference, it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? So now, if I have the sum of all these values, let's say if I have the sum of 10 plus 8 is 18 plus 6, 14. Sorry, my bad. 24, 28, 30. And increasing it to our A will do our job, right? So we need to find out. And this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sixth value. For sixth value, I need 5 sum of these, right? So for sixth value, so first of all, we need to find out the maximum of x comma y, right? Now for that value, we need to find out long. Okay, let's write everything in long. I'll suggest long. S would be 2 times mx minus 1 into mx 8 by 2. So we remove the 2 from here, right? So that, so our value of max comma max value is s plus 1. right? Right? S plus 1. Now we have max. So now we have this value, right? And we are at maximum. So our question is mm, if max is greater than y. If max is greater than y, then basically we need to decrease the column and hence decrease the value of max by how much? Mx minus y. Else we need to increase the value of max by mx minus y. Mx, else if mx is greater than x, mx will be greater than either of these or it will be equal. In the case of equal, we won't need to care about that. We just print mx minus mx underscore mx of this page. Just let's try this out once if this works. I don't know. Ting 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 ting. My bad. It, three times. Yeah, again. Please just I have to remove a wash. 6, 8, 8, 115 and 6, 115. Okay, so there is some error technically. So for 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3 is please just 2 comma 3 is basically this value, right? So to reach 2 comma 3, what we can do is we can reach 3 comma 3, which is 7, and then we can move to 3 comma 3, and then we move to 2 comma 3. So we have to increase. Oh, and give it the opposite. I guess I did the opposite. I have to remove Avast. Sorry for that. This sound. 8, 1, 11. Okay, okay. So when we reach 4 comma 4, we reach 4 comma 4, and then we have to go to 4 comma 2, right? 2 comma 4 comma 2, right? Okay, okay. So here it decrease, and here it increase, and again here it decreases. Okay. So again another twist is we need to check out if mx is an even, if mx is even or mx is odd. If mx is even, basically like this 3, then we have decrease or we have increase. If mx modulo 2 equal to 0, equal to 1, then we have to follow this. Else, we have to do just the opposite. 8, 115, yeah. Let's try submitting this and checking our solution. I hope there is no issues. I'm doing all these questions for the first time, so just excuse me if I do. Think That's a lot of pending we are having. I don't know. Usually we don't take this much time. I will not having anything here. What's the issue? I don't know. Probably the server is down. Just let's wait. Let me pause. Okay. I'll just pause the video. I actually resubmitted once again, and it's still not like a pending state. So I feel the solution is right. If you find it not right, and if I find it not right, then I will delete this video and make another one. And if it is right, then this will be posted and you will have it on screen. So yeah, probably if I posted this, then this solution is right. So don't worry about that. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.